Good morning! Back to school. After 1 week of having no classes due to reading week, ayan, resumption na ng klase. It's a new week for me kasi we will be having 3 new subjects ulit for the last half of this term 1. Kaya, malapit na. It's -4. The actual temperature is -4. Pero feels like -8. Yan. Medyo nag-iingat lang din maglakad kasi maputik na siya. Natunaw na yung mga snow. This past few days parang ang aga ng sunrise. Noong mga nakaraang linggo na pumapasok ako, ganitong oras, same time, pero sobrang dilim pa. Ngayon, ang laki na ng difference. Same time pero ang liwanag na. Yung bus ko is still the same. 7:15 bus. Ano oras na ba? Ano oras na ba? 7:10 yata.
Wala pa naman tayo. Resource management. Hindi, kunyari ako. Ay, hawak ko or may... Okay lang. Kaya nga, Wednesday na kasi yun. I mean, Wednesday midnight. Oo. Bukas na. Gawin na lang kung kadalya ngayon. Tapusin mo bukas o na gagawin. Para bukas, yun na yung buong araw kung ano. Sa snow doon, nag-iis. Hello, my name is Mary. Resource management. Tapos nag-boomerang ka. Resource management. Resource management is very important in the company. All of the resources are here. Tapos, because we need resources like number 2. Please. About resource management. So, firstly, what is resource management? Resource management is the allocation or the planning of how you would allocate the resources for a project to achieve a certain value. And why is it important?
Ayan. I just finished recording our assignment. May pa-makeup pa, red lips, diba? For the assignment, for the recording. And class started yesterday. 2 subjects agad ang natakal. And for that 2 subjects, may assignment agad. The submission is today. So, Today is only Tuesday, second day of the class. Already 3 p.m. Ang bilis ng oras. Okay. See you later.
Because all these concepts are there. And I want you guys to understand the concept. And you guys gonna present.
We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014. And I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it. Cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that.
Morning! It's Friday! And based sa forecast today, buong araw is snow. So, naka-bundle up ako and naka-boots. Sana lang mag-snow kasi ang bigat na suot ko eh. But then, ina mo, green na. Green na. There you go, naka-boots and naka-winter jacket talaga ako. Sana tumuloy yung snow kahit ayoko para lang ma-justify na nag-winter jacket ako and boots and all. Kasi kanina, kaya din ako natagalan. Contemplate ako yung suit ko no Wednesday kasi hindi ako nag-base layer sa top and bottom. In-underestimate ko yung negative na weather kasi ang nasa isip ko mainit sa room, which is pero unexpectedly, actually dapat in-expect ko na yun eh. 15 minutes, 20 minutes ako nag-antay ng bus. Naka-pants lang ako and normal upperwear plus yung jacket na isa. Ayun, lamig ako. I mean, mahangin kasi siya. So yung hangin dito yung yung nakakalamig talaga. So yun nga, accurate, just an update, accurate yung weather forecast and it's currently snowing and may mga flurries. Early dismissal, so uwi na tayo dahil sobrang lakas ng snow.
Everywhere is white. Ang hirap doon sa portion paglabas ng school. Ayan. It's all white now. Kanina umaga, parang muddy white yung snow. Ngayon, they're all white. Ang bilis kumapal ng snow. At nakapag-bundle up ako. Ngayon, the next challenge is kung darating kaya yung bus on time. Or, by the way, I had it figured out. Ay, pabasa. Na-figure out ko na yung some turnarounds regarding the bus. Pag ganitong snow, mas lalo pa siyang matagal or delay. So what I did was to look for other options. Dalawang sakay siya. But the second ride will be free kasi nga transfer lang naman. Kaya if whichever bus arrives earlier, dun ako. Basta makasakay lang ng bus. Not to wait long sa labas. See where I need to step on. The struggle of going home ng kasagsagan ng snow. Lakad kasi aside sa ngayon suot ng winter suit, the jacket, the boots, ang taas na ng snow. So bawat takpat mo kailangan mo mag-ingat. 2, 3.
Her own way, like they don't give a damn, girl. And my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that she drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her